All right. Good morning, everybody. Luke here from Breakout Trading. Uh, Today is day 12 of the small cap challenge. We're starting on paper right now, integrating my strategy and Tony's strategy, and it has been going flawlessly. Um, Up about $53,000. That's with leverage. Without leverage, it's like $8,000. But um, regardless, that's quite a come up, and we're just gonna keep moving, keep doing what we've been doing, and I'm hoping by February 1st, we'll be trading a any sterling account. I don't care which one it is. I'm still doing my research on which one is exactly the best one. CMEG is definitely the best if you're thinking of you know starting like a small cap challenge. They give you 6-to-1 leverage, no PDT rule. Doesn't get much better than that. Immediate clearing, so you never have to stay in. If a stock goes against you, you get out. If it goes back up, you get back in. Um, you know, and that's where we're at. We've just been killing it. We've just been killing it. I think this is day 12. I think we had one red day out of the 11 days that have been traded, and even that red day just was sloppy. Did things that I knew might have cost some money in the long run, but no more silly mistakes, so to speak. But let's get started on the day. Going to be using sterling again today. Looking at the scanner, nothing I'm in love with. I know Tony has some great picks. Uh, when I look at the scanner and I don't see anything that I'm in love with, um, you know, I know our team is looking at team. Um, I just don't know here. SAEX is a good potential, but it's been pretty much downtrending all for the rest, like all morning. It had that good pop up, and now it's been downtrending. Um, Roku is at a pivotal level. It hit that double bottom. This could be a great play today. We got that double bottom kind of thing going on here with Roku. Sometimes if I don't see anything on the small caps, I'll go to things that I'm familiar with. And, this has been hitting this bottom here for quite some time. And it pivoted, and there is potential in Roku. This could go 5 points right at the open, 5 points up. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on Roku today. More for an options play. That's the great thing about Sterling as well. You could trade options, and their prices are, if you look at their options chart in comparison to TD Ameritrade, it's pretty much equal. Now, if you look at Robinhood's options chart in comparison to like TD Ameritrade, you could see that you're getting overcharged, and you're basically getting screwed on Robinhood options. But that's not the case with Sterling. They give you a fair deal. But I am definitely interested in Roku. But before we do that, let's take a look at some stocks that are worthy of trading today. Gonna just check my filter. Nothing on the scanner that stands out. SAEX was one of them, the top gapper. SAEX was like my fourth leading gainer in 2019, which is crazy because it's such a small stock, but I caught it on such a rip. Actually, this has some potential here. I don't like that it's been below the VWAP pretty much all morning. It is up on. Okay, this must have came out last night. All right, they got a new project worth 42 million offshore. They reduced their debt by 14.5 billion. I don't know. Is that even a dent in their debt? I don't know enough about this company to know their debt. something worth looking into. But I'm not in love with it. The news catalyst is not amazing. The technicals are not great. Let's take a closer look at that one. First, let me take a closer look at Roku. That was the first one I was interested in. Uh, okay. Yeah, we're in the middle of the S1 and the P. It's not a very bullish location, but it could go up to the P, which is 142.29. Um, if the market is bullish today, market definitely is bullish today. Definitely is up. Um, so let's look for some channels real quick. Roku. All right, so we got a 137 is the entry of a channel that goes up to about 143. 137, 143. It's possible we fill that gap today, but you can definitely see the sort of consolidation. That's a bull flag consolidation. You have the pole, the flag. The flag never comes below the pole. So this could definitely rip. Just don't know that today will be the day that it does it, but it could definitely rip. That is for sure. So that will definitely be on my watch list today. Roku and SAEX, but I'm not in love with SAEX. SAEX apparently only has. It couldn't possibly have that low of a float. There's no way. There's just no way. This is telling me the float is less than. If the float is that low, then yeah, it has my attention again. Yeah, see? This could go all the way up to 450. Right up to this line up there, 425. The float is 3.1 million. Okay. All right, we'll keep an eye on it. It is at 10% of its float. It's got 500,000 shares of volume, right? It's at more than 10%. Um, let's take a look at that one next, and then we'll look up everything on the filter. I don't pick stocks unless I know they're gonna make money, or unless they meet my strategy. And 90% of the time, when they meet my strategy, they are going to make money. What is this crap? Okay, actually, SAEX looks really good. We're currently at 324 in price. The P is 315. I really like this one. Um, there is news. The float's very low. The volume's very high. It's the leading gapper. The technicals look bad in terms that yeah, it's below the view at, which means it's more on the bearish side. But I don't know. I just like where things are placed. If it pivots off 315 and takes off, it's very possible. It looks like that's the low that it hit was 315. I'm liking this one. I really am. It's growing on me. Uh, it's not one of those ones you see, and are like, wow. It's one of those ones you got to look at. So this here, there's another 298, 294. So it could go anywhere between 315 and 3 or even 294, as high as 447. even higher. It could go as high as 465, 447, 465 is around that same range. I like this one. I like this one. This is going to be one of my tops. This is one of my fave. All right, so let's see real quick. Okay. Another one I would like to look at is Casablanca. Not heavy on the volume side at all. Um, but there's a lot of potential with this one. All right, so this is up on what is this up on? Increases GAAP revenue fiscal year 2019 and announces CFO transition. Um, Gross margin, adjusted EBITDA. All right, so they're giving better guidance, is what it sounds like. I don't see earnings. It doesn't look like earnings came out. It just looks like they're increasing their guidance. Casa Systems SFO to resign. Usually that's never a good thing. Let's look at the technicals on this one real quick. So it's been above the VWAP pretty much all morning, except this one fallback to where it shot up. Casa. Still more interested in SAEX and potentially Roku, but all right, yeah. So we're right near that 444 pivot. We hit 450, which is just a psychological resistance. This is not a wide range on here. Even if we hit 550, 450 again, that would be my entry. But I would get in at like 456 to be honest, just to make sure I don't get faked out. And then 479 is the next level. Not a lot of room here. Just not a lot of room. And here we go. Here's the room now. So we're at the bottom of a channel that goes all the way to 556. That is more appealing. That is more appealing. Looks like this went to around 426. So right within that channel. I kind of do like this one. I'm going to go ahead and maximize sell. I'm going to plug in these plots here. Come on. Put this over here. All right, so we got a 427. The heck, isn't that supposed to? 427 to 5. Well, we know there's another pivot at 474. Pivots will always go out longer. That's how I just identify them. And the other pivot on this one is 444. go. Extend to the right. Alright, so that's my pivot. Okay. And then we have another extend to the right. This is the channel. And that goes all the way up to 556. Beautiful. All right, we got some potential on this one. This one could potentially go to $5.50. When it comes to SAEX, I just want to look at that one again. I want to plot it. EHTH. Yeah, that's one of Tony's, right? I understand. HTH. Yeah, that's a good one. I saw that earlier. Um, I really like this one, this SAEX. I like where it's holding up. I just wish it had a little more strength. I really need to see this come above the VWAP at least between 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, I want to see this above the VWAP. That's it. And then I want it to remain above the VWAP for the rest of the morning. All right, so we got a pullback. We got a pivot down here at around 3. So let's go ahead and add that drawing. That's not a pivot, a channel, I mean. Let's extend to the right. And then that goes all the way up to 447. It's around 450. All right, and now let's plug in the pivots on that. Say EX. All right, so 315 is the P. Put it out a little further. The ones that I put out further are the pivot. All right, so that's the P. The R1 is 384. Now, I have no problem going long on any stock today when the market's going up. You know, Jesse Livermore wrote the rule that if the market is flat, don't go long or short on anything. Just don't even trade that day. If the market's going up, then you can go on your longs. If the market's going down, then you can go in on your shorts. So we have a market going up today. Confident going in on any longs right now. Although, ironically, a lot of small caps tend to be bullish when the market is down because that's where people put their money. So that theory doesn't technically always work when it comes to small caps, but it does with the majority of other stocks. All right, so here we go. 384 is the R1. Let me see if I can get the R2 in here since I'm at it. 464 is the R2. All right, beautiful. We got the pivots. We got that in. let's say SAEX. CEI is a name that commonly pops up. The volume's not all that impressive. TXNP. I don't know why it's saying it only has 186 shares of volume. That's incorrect. SAEX says it has 500,000 shares of volume. Maybe that's incorrect. I'm liking this CASA. There's potential there. EHTH, yes. EHTH. Um, I'm not gonna touch this one because I know Tony is looking at this one already, so he's gonna come in and look at this one with us. That's why I'm like leaving it alone. But this one has a lot of potential here. This one could go up 10 points possibly. Whew, price target raises. Is there more than one analyst? Two, yeah, that's one of the three top reasons you would want to get into a stock is when you see multiple analysts raise their price target. Um, so yeah, this one could definitely pull back to maybe, I don't know. Let's take a closer look. I'm gonna let Tony do that one actually. He'll be on in about 15 minutes. Uh, yeah, we'll do a quick recap on that one. So we got news. Do we have volume this morning? EHTH. We got almost no volume. 5,000 shares. That's a bit of a turnoff. What's the float like on this one? Yeah, it's in a consolidation where, boom, we already know it broke out of that consolidation to the upside. About to break the 52-week high, or did it already? Oh, this is gorgeous. It broke over the 52-week high. It broke out of the consolidation to the upside. This one could go. This one can go. Um, and the floats, give me a low float. Low float. On top of that, we have a winner, winner, winner. This is the one I like the most. The only thing I don't like about it is that there's no volume this morning. Yeah, no volume. All right. What's up with this thing? Why are my shares coming in incorrect? It's possible my volume's coming in incorrect. It looks like my HTH volume. No, that's what's coming up. I don't believe that that's correct. I think it might be time to open up the. All right, SNOATNXP is the name that always comes up, but I really like this one. This EHTH. Let's take a closer look. I just wish it had volume. EHTH. Alright, so $100, 112. 112 is where you want to get in at. That's right. Okay, we're gonna change it up a little bit. Alright, still nothing. All right, 100. Well, yeah, it hasn't gone higher than 112 ever, so the MAs are never gonna. So 112, is where I would personally say is a good buy-in point around there. 112, 22, 113. Um, if it breaks 215, I mean 115. I like 112, 22, 112, 50 just to be safe, or whenever it pivots. But yeah, I like this one a lot. Let's see. Where it could go, nobody knows. It doesn't really give me EHTH. EHTH 105, 110. Yeah, I really don't know. It actually seems overextended and might need to calm down, but it's not going to go below the 52-week high. If anything, it'll come near it and then pop. But here we go. Here's, like I said, it's 9 o'clock. AEX is now starting to go above the view app. I would like to see it stay here for the remainder of the morning. Um, the remainder of the pre-market, that is. And that's really it. There, CEI. CEI. Let's check this out here. Let's go to these secondaries. Those are my tops right there. And then these will be my secondaries. Oof. I like CEI's formation. I don't like that it has dropped below the view app. I would like it to be up on news. Okay, acquisitions. That's one of the three major news catalysts. You have massive increase in target by multiple research analysts. You have mergers and acquisitions, and you have anything phase three, FDA or fast track, FDA, all that stuff are typically the best and cause the most movement. So we got definitely have some volume. We definitely have some movement. Um, Proposed purchase of Viking, and Viking is a big company, but usually the company getting acquired goes up. Let me see, is Viking on here as well? Let's check out CEI. Okay, CEI. It's in between the R1 and the R2. I mean, in between the P and the R1. Not exactly the best spot. You can't get the best speculation when it's just dead in the middle there. It's terrible stock too, by the way. Hmm. There's room for range, though. Let me get rid of this 300 on here. Okay, that's a little better. All right, so 230 is where I would like to see the pullback to. Without a doubt, 230 on this one. I know this is a low volume, low float. Let me just check that. The volume is low, which is not good. The float, kind of low. Yeah, this is crazy, this one. 5 million share floats. What's the volume? CEI. It's got some volume, man. This one's got potential here. I didn't like this one so much in the beginning, but it does meet one of the crucial news catalysts. It's got extremely high volume, 1 million shares of volume, a 5 million share float, so it's already at 20%. I'll settle with 10%. This one could go. This one really, really, really could go. I wish it would just. I wish it just didn't pop to that $3 level and come down. I think it's gonna pull. This is my prediction for this one, and I'm pretty confident in it. I think this one is going to pull to 230. Right, 230 right to the channel here, the beginning of the channel. And it's going to go all the way up to maybe 410, potentially. But I would play this on a pullback to that price. Matter of fact, let me put an alert here as well. Got that upside down kind of consolidation thing going. All right, not bad, not bad. Lot of opportunity, but nothing that I'm like hell yes about. I mean, EHTH is really looking the best, but it just keeps going up. I would like to see the pullback on that one. Little overextended. ETH. There's no. This is uncharted territories because it's new 52-week highs. Here's what we can do in a situation where it's 52-week highs. I like to what the frick is it? EHTH. I like to go ahead and um change these all together. So I'll leave a 100 on there. I'll put a 360 and a 780. Okay. Yeah, again, that has no effect because it's never been to that price, I guess. It's never been this high ever. If it had been high, if it reached, 150 last year, then you can get a better sense. But looks like it's never been this high ever, which is good. That's the best place to buy a stock. Buy high, sell higher. I can't do it with this music, man. Tony should be popping in. He comes in 9:15. So I'm going to just see where he's at. And if you want to catch the 0-second delay version of this, that way when we're trading live, you don't get stuck in the Facebook delay. You can go ahead and do that. That's, there's a link in the description for that. And if you want to join the text alert group or anything of that nature, there's a text alerts group, which is just text alerts, and then there's a chat room. That's in the description as well. All right, let's put this over here for now. I don't know where he is. Just give it a second. Again, I'm not hung up on anything, to be honest with you. To the point, I'm at the point where I wouldn't even send out an alert. I'm really just not hung up on anything. I didn't look at this TNXP. TNXP. Tony's coming right now. I did not look at this. SNOA. Just fuck. Let's see. All right, guys. Tony will be coming in right now.
Good morning, you hear me?
Good morning, Tony.
Luke, you hear me?
Yes, good morning. Yes. You hear us? All right, Tony, try again. SNOA is garbage to me. Testing,
Do you hear
testing.
me?
Yeah, I hear you. You hear me?
Yeah, yeah. The only stock I like today is Team TEAM. I like that. I like 141 bid.
Yeah, yeah.
TEAM.
Team. All right.
Yeah, like a bid on it, like 141. I think it goes right back up.
Hello?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
41. Yeah, I like this a lot. Team. Very good.
it's
Prob-
got to pull. It's got to pull back though.
yeah, everything is overextended this morning, but the market's also extended.
It's not really that much. Not really that much trades. It's like,
Yeah.
yeah. Yesterday we got into. I'm still in that TER Teradyne. That made some move, like, and then it sold off, and it went back. I think it's gonna head back to like 180. That stuff, 180, 183, 184. Things that make new highs. Teradyne.
Hmm. What about this CYOU?
Yeah, like 1050, right? Like 1050 area.
Hmm. Even that, I don't know. I'm not super confident in anything today this
I
morning.
like team. That's all. TEAM. I like that
All
one. If
right,
it pulls
you
back
want
to
me to
like one,
alert it? I'll put it out in the alerts then, if you'd like.
yeah, like 141. I don't mind Intel. Also, like $64 Intel for a bounce play.
Like I.
Yeah, INTC Intel.
Oh, INTC. It's 64 for a bounce play. I think one that might surprise us is SAEX, believe it or not. Just because there's nothing out there. Maybe CEI might surprise us. Um, Potentially. Um,
I like team though.
yeah, not in love with anything today. Maybe potentially Casa. What about EHTH?
Too high.
Super overextended, right? But it did break it all times high. That's why it broke its all time highs. And now here goes. What the heck's going on with this chart? This chart just doesn't seem right. Yeah, this chart's messed up. I don't know why. Doesn't even show the same price. eye on that. I don't know what's up with this, why it's doing this. Let's add a new chart. Sorry, I got the other chart to look at. I don't know why that chart's all banged up like that. What about if EHTH pulls back to 112.50, right at the 52-week high? Would you take an entry there? Nah, SAEX failed. It screwed up. See, why is it $1 cheaper over here? Very weird. I need to put a new chart in. The heck, man? Tony, you there? Okay. I don't know. I don't see him. It's just us. He gave us his bid. Team. Oh yeah, there was one more, right? Not CYOU. TNXP has potential. CIE is pulled back. Okay, guys, I love this. C right before the open too. Beautiful. CIE pulled back to my entry point of 250. I liked it at 250, and I'm gonna take a small share size here. About 1,000 shares at the ask. ARCA. Let's see if we can get it at 251. Take it at 252. Bye. Alright. I took that position. I like to pull back. It pulled back to 252, which 251, which what I forgot what that was, to be honest. 249 was what? It was some sort of pivot. So I'm gonna hold that position. I think I'm gonna get out really quick though as well. If it goes against me, it's gotta open above 250. If it opens below 250, I'm screwed. I need to get right out. TNXP is looking interesting. TNXP. Okay, CEI. We got about 2 seconds. We're gonna open above 250. We opened above 250 here. And we dropped. Okay. EHTH. EHTH is right at the EHTH is right at the 52-week high. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that. Oh, I'm just too slow here. EHTH. I think I bought on the ask. That's a spread of about $1. Okay, CIE. I'm about to get out. Okay, I'm up on ETH. MX. Okay, I gotta get out of this CIE. Now. Okay. Took quite the hit on that. I'm taking quite the hit on ETH. Oh, I really like this here. I like this pullback on Roku. I'm gonna take advantage of that. And I'm gonna go options. Let's get 5.
Okay, you hear me, Luke?
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm in team. TEAM. Put up your level 2 for team. Yes, team. I think this goes to 149 today.
Team 149.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get in on that. What price? What price are you in at?
I got it at one. I got it like 142.70 around there.
I'm doing okay right now. 142.70. All right,
Yeah, I think what was yeah, I think this thing is gonna go. This team.
142.70. I'm gonna take a bid here.
140. I had a bid for like 141, and then never went there, and it went like right now
Okay,
it's
team
good
is
right now.
really dumping, so I'm gonna try to get in on it on this on the.
Yeah,
I'm
team
gonna wait
team.
for the pivot though. I gotta see some kind of pivot here. All right, it hits your level 141 flat, 141.07, 141 flat. We're at right now.
Yeah.
I'm taking it here, 141 flat.
I just added a little bit more team right here. 141.57. I got in.
Damn, man, I screwed up. It's all right.
Right.
I'm good. 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 I'm good.
And the
Woo!
team is
All right, team is killing it right now. I'm already
yeah,
up a
team is
thousand
gonna go to
dollars.
149. I got team going to 149.
149.
Yes.
I'm taking a partial now though. I like where I'm at. I got some good money here. I'm taking a 3/4 partial. 250 shares is enough for me to hold on to. I'm fine with that. Come on, come on. 42.17. 42.18. Ugh, it just dropped so much.
142.36.
42.79. There we go. There we go.
Team is going to 149, guys.
There we go. Oh, I keep missing these freaking fills I should take. Come on, pop up. I just want to lock in some profit here. Ooh. All right. I took a partial. I'm holding 250 shares all the way to 249. Okay, Roku, our options, we're doing all right so far. Uh,
249, yes. I wish he goes to 249.
Roku, we're doing good. EHTH, we're doing good. Doing good on everything. CIE was my only mistake. It opened at 250. I figured
What
it
was
was
the
gonna.
low on EHTH? 112 and change?
I don't know. No, 111.
111. Okay.
That's around what I got in. When I saw out at 111, I said I got to get in here, but I wasn't quick enough, so I didn't get the best fill. Um, but I'm up on the day 1,728 already. Um, my Roku options are looking good. Roku, I don't know. I don't know if Roku's gonna downtrend here or not. I'm looking at Roku right here, and it looks like it, it pivoted up, which Roku normally does, and this can go all the way to 140 today from 133.50 if it breaks above the open, which is about 134.34. So I'm gonna create an alert.
EHTH is rocking it, baby. I mean, what's it called? Team's nice right now.
Team's rocking it. Okay, here we go. Roku is about to break above the open. If it breaks above the open at this juncture, right at the beginning of the day, it usually means it's gonna stay in an uptrend for the rest of the day. Um, ooh, and now it drops. Well, no, it's all right. 134 still. All right, what was that alert? Roku above 134.36. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm up 105 on those Roku options. I'm up 2,000 on team, and I'm down 162 on the EHTH. Now I'm up $5 on EHTH. I'm about to just get out of EHTH. Don't really.
EHTH was a little risky for me.
Yeah.
I saw 112 would have been a good price, but you have to get out like right away.
Yeah.
But I love that team. I think team is gonna hit like 149 definitely.
All right. Well, EHTH is at a level where I can get out safely, so I'm gonna do so. Up 147. Um, it's up 115. Amex 115.30. 114. It's at 115. It's at 115. Now it's
Team
rallying.
going to 149, baby. Team.
I'm still gonna hold on to 100 shares. I'll sell 400. Sell. All right. Very nice. Very nice. I'm holding on to 250 a team. I only have one Roku option. I only have one Roku option, and I'm up $132 on it. I thought I bought five. Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine.
I knew EHTH would have been good at like 112 area.
Well, EHTH killed it. It's already up at 116. I got in at like 112. I
Yeah,
could have done.
112. I knew that area was good over there.
112 was the 52-week high, so it was not going to break below it, and I got out. Oh no, I still have 100 shares left.
Yeah.
EHTH. I'm gonna these Roku options. If I would have bought multiple, I would have sold three-quarters of my Roku options right here. But I only bought one, so I didn't mean to buy one, just one. I put five on the fucking order sheet. Excuse my language. Only bad trade was CEI, and CEI's coming back up.
How's that team?
Team's 147.
There you go, baby. 149. I'm out of team.
Oh
It
my
could hit like
god.
149.50, but
Look
I'm
at
at 149.
EHTH. EHTH just hit 120.
Yeah,
Everything's rocking right now. So you're out 149? I'm sorry.
yeah, 149 a team. I'm
I'm gonna do the same thing. 149. I'm out on team. Unbelievable. EHTH. I'm gonna get out of EHTH here. I'm happy with what I made on that. I'm gonna get entirely out. Oh no no. What's going on here? 120.66. Catch that. This stuff fills so fast. I'm out. 120.66. I get out. It goes to 121.97. Unbelievable. There's one Roku options up $200. I'm gonna take $200 on that, man. I'm just gonna take that. Even though I think Roku could potentially go to 140 today, I'm just gonna get out of that. Take that money. I'm gonna go with the ask, sell, destination, CBOE, 123 EHTH. Incredible, incredible. Team, where are we at? What's the price on team? Tone, tone. Okay, so it's 147 right now. 149. Okay, this is the first official pullback on the rally. So I do think we're gonna see more space to the upside. I'm gonna try to get out on a $4,000 day. If I can get out with a $4,000 day, I'll be very happy. So this is the market price right here. This is the price I have to hit when I'm selling or buying or selling market. Okay, so Tom, where are you? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Keep moving, keep moving. Getting close to that 4,000 level. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So close. Put it on the Arca. Bats is actually higher. Okay, break 148. I'm trying to make $4,000 on the day. And keep in mind, this account has the value of less than 8 grand in it. So times 6, you get 6 times your leverage.
Yeah, I got 149.50 on that
149.50 on what?
on the team. 149.50. I'm going
I'm
for it.
getting out.
149.40.
I'm getting out soon. I'm trying to make 4,000 on the day, and
I'm
then
greedy. I'm greedy. That's what I am.
I take those base hits, baby. It's gonna come up because look, it had its pullback, and that pullback was so weak. Here we go. Here we go. All right.
149. 149.40. I'm out of team.
Oh, I got out. I got out of team. I kept wondering why the price wasn't moving. I must have sold by accident.
Leave it up there, please. What a day today was, huh?
Ridiculous. Well, I didn't expect nothing to happen today, to be honest with you. And then I got out of Roku right at the right spot too, by the way. Roku, that's like right around where I got out. Um, EATH, what a beautiful entry, beautiful exit. Actually, I got out of 121. This thing went to 125.
EHTH 125. I didn't see it.
Yeah. And then Team was a good one. Team this morning I forgot all about for some reason. Because Team pops up a lot on those lists, on the
Yeah.
gapping
I'm at
lists.
149.45 on the exit here. Let's see what happens here. Come
And
on,
you know what's crazy? On EHTH, I made 1,000, and I made a mistake. I bought at the ask and sold on the bid. I think. I know I bought on the ask, which was a major mistake. I overpaid by like $1. So even though it was 111 or 112, I still paid 114. Yeah, I screwed up there. That's why we practice on these platforms before we go in them, because it's different trading off the level twos. You buy at the ask, you're gonna pay the ask. You want to sell at the ask, never buy at the ask. Now you might not get filled, but if you do, that's why Sterling's so great. It's great at filling you at the ask.
yeah. Look at this. Do you see this gap? This thing is going to explode past us.
This could go through 150.
Yeah. I'm at 149.45. Look how greedy I am.
I should have made another 1,000 on Roku. I bought 5 options. It gave me one. I'm up 220 on those. You're not greedy. You took a partial already, right?
No.
Fucking take a partial, bro.
No.
Okay.
No.
Don't. Just don't get mad at me. Don't give me the fucking puss all day.
Oh, my God. Look at this, man. Let's go. It's going to break 149. It's going to 149.90.
It's gonna go for 149.90. It's gonna break one. I think it'll break. Probably not, but I'm being optimistic for you. What would you do right now if it just dropped from 149
Oh, my
to
God.
140?
I
The VIX is popping up. What's the market dumping? Market's dumping, so be careful. The market is pushing down.
look at the spread on this thing. But look at the bids come up on it quick.
The bid size and the ask size went down a lot since the open. You were seeing
Even
like that.
Intel, even Intel ripped. Still at a 149.45.
Intel was nice too, yeah.
I thought Intel was going to test like $64 on a pullback. It just went from 66 to like.
I know. It doesn't make
To
any
me,
sense either.
yeah, Intel a billion shares. I would never buy it. I had like 1.3 billion shares. Got to get a little chance, you know.
Got out of Roku at the right time. Everything's pulling back, just so you know. I'm looking on the 15 monitors I have around me, and everything's pulling back. So be careful. Market's pulling back. EMTH is pulling back. Roku's pulling back. Everything. Everything.
Here we go. Let's go. Blast through this 149, baby. Let's go.
A lot of selling there.
Oh, you bastard. I hate when they do that. I just want to prove a point where this has got to go today. I'm hard headed with this today. I got a 149.80, but I got for 149.45. I'm out. Out. Look at this. Out.
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 All right, watch. Good. Hey, yo, great pick. Great pick. Nothing else to be said.
149.80. I got. Look at this. 150.
It's gonna. That's what I was worried about. Is if it goes into 150, 152, 50, 153, 150. But I don't think it's
Isn't that
gonna break
amazing?
150.
Isn't that amazing?
Incredible. A lot of money made there. And if you were part of the Luke Tony team today, you made a lot of money.
Yeah. I think we're done for the day, right?
I'm done. I did great.
I'm not doing anything today ever. I'm not doing nothing today. I'm finished.
I'm finished as well.
You got. There's no way that you can keep on trading today after a day like today.
No, you get a trade like that, you get in, you get out, and that's it. I mean, anybody have any comments, anything like that?
Was anybody in on these things?
I don't know. Anybody take anything? EHTH team, CIE. See, it's always best to take whatever me and Tony both agree upon. That's like a double confirmation.
150, 70, 150. See, now, like, even though it goes to 155, I don't care. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You
No, you
cannot look
can't.
at that.
You can't because if you play always thinking it's gonna go to the moon, you'll never make money because you always get gypped. Um, Let me see.
Like,
Facebook.
even though it goes to
It was
155,
an
I don't care.
amazing
You know what I'm
trade.
saying?
Yeah.
You
No,
cannot
you
look at
can't.
that.
You can't because you.
Amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
All right. So that's it. It's not even 10 o'clock, and Tony, I don't know what you made. Probably 15,000 or something. You scumbag. I'm still trading in
Times
paper,
two.
but
Times 2.5.
Tony's also a lot older than me.
Oh. Uh, let me write these down. Let me write these down for today. What a day today. See, I'm not looking at it like I'll look at it, but I'm not like,
It's not doing anything. It's gonna.
yeah, I don't care about it no
It's
more. I'm
done.
done.
All right, guys. That's it for today. It's a pretty good day, and
I'll see you on Monday.
I'll see
Thank
you
God.
on Monday,
Thank God
guys.
Mondays the market's open.
Yeah,
I hate those 3 days holidays.
I know. I know.
Anyway, I'll talk to you in a little bit, Luke.
All right.
Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Bye.